This is the Lifson Axcess Les Paul. However, it's not without problems, and those problems we will visit today and we will try to fix. Right, okay then. If anyone watching can tell me what's the best way to deal with this gold missing, I would appreciate it. Anyway, right, let's go. Right. So, I don't know if you can see that, but the jack has actually gone inside. So I need to pull it out and put the pins in. Oh, yep, that's got it. Oh, I've just pushed it back in. Come on. Jeez. That doesn't want to come out now, does it? Ah, this might do it. Brush. That fits in, that's good. Right, wedge it in. Yes, 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 it's out, it's out, it's out. Everyone relax, it's out. Okay. That's as far as it comes out then. Now am I going to hold it in place and slide these on? Of course, that's the obvious solution, isn't it? Put that on there, put that on there. Yes, that's how we're going to do it. Bought these from Poundland, Hang Tough Super Glue. I've used super glue from Poundland for many years, and I've always found it to be very, very good. Let's hope they haven't cheaped out in recent times, eh? Okay. Let's just check. No, I'm going to need to pierce that. And what am I going to use to pierce that? My soldering iron. No, that's not working. Snip the end off. That's what you're meant to do, isn't it? Snip the end off. Alright. We'll soon find out. Yes, there we go. Pop that on there like so. Right. I've had a lot of guitars over the years, and I've never had any with jack problems. So I don't know whether it's just in relation to this particular model. I've got another Epiphone guitar. Oh geez, let's push that right in now, isn't it? Nope, that's failed. Oh no. Right, I'm going to have to take this off. So let's get on with that. Yeah, as I say, I've never had any jack issues before with any of my previous guitars. So it might just be specific to this model. But if anyone watching can advise on what's the best way to deal with this. I mean, I'm doing a bodge here really by gluing it, and I'm not sure how long it's going to hold. So if anyone's got any pointers, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Oh jeez, can you see that? Oh, they haven't cleaned that out, have they? I'm beginning to think this was knocked up on a Friday. Jordan was going home from work. Having said that, this now gives me a chance to use my new toy. Got this from TikTok recently. And the battery's died. Oh, no, I hope that I'm not pulling the wires off the back of this. Are they soldered very well? Difficult to see from this angle. Yeah, okay, right, so if we sort of somehow put something behind, that'll do it. There we go, look at that. Brilliant, I'm a genius. Oh, look at that, it even rests there, look, to hold it up. Pop you back, and you just give that a little clean. Suddenly that doesn't want to go through there. What on earth's happened there? Oh. You're a stupid monkey, aren't you? That's squared off. So I think that's... What the hell is going on here? Why won't it go on? Alright, so this has got two flat sides. So it's not a complete perfect circle. And my Mr. Magoo eyes, I can't see the flat sides on that. They all look pretty perfect to me. Ah, hold on, there we go. That's one side, right, so this should go on that way then. Blimey, this is tricky. This has got time lapse written all over it. Oh, go on. Yes, there we go, right. There really isn't a lot of length on this. But that's on properly, right, okay. Now, pop that on there like that. Pop that on there like that. I think I need to put a drop of glue on there before I drop this onto it. Okay, wish me luck. Let's get the flow. Let's get the flow right first. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Yes, we're on. Good. Put you back, Mr. Brush. Thank you for your help. I need to tighten this up, but I don't particularly want to scratch the gold off. So let's try this. That's a good turn. Oh, I'm pleased with that turn. Try and get another one in. Round, round, baby, round, round, looking down on you. Oh yeah. Oh. really tricky. It's tricky to rock a rhyme on time. It's tricky. It's tricky, tricky, tricky. Right, let's try the juicy pliers, the big chunky ones. Right, that's about as tough as I can get it. Hanging tough. We're rough. Okay. Yep, solder's on, okay. Right. Screw that back in. Which is the best way? Which is the most natural way it falls? Don't want to twist the cables up as I put it back, so let's pop that in there like so. Does that feel okay? I think it feels okay. Right. Where'd I put the screwdriver? Where's the screwdriver? There's the screwdriver. Okay. Pop one in. Place. I'm putting them in diagonally. It just seems to be the way you put things back together. On cars or anything with more than 3 screws, you should do them diagonally. Okay, and don't tighten them up fully because sometimes the holes won't line up. That's what I've found. So you're best screwing them in initially loosely and then go around and tighten them up. Tight. And tight. Let's just do one last check. Yeah, firm, and firm. Cool. Right, that's fixed. That's pretty secure. Okay, let's get it plugged in. Make sure we've got no loose connections. And I don't know whether to put this down as a fix or a bodge. What do you think? Would this constitute a fix or a bodge? I mean, how do they do it from factory? I assume they just don't put anything on there at all, but so you can actually dismantle it, but I don't know how long that super glue is gonna hold. However, if you can come up with a better solution, or what they do in the factory, or what you're meant to do with that, I would appreciate it. So if you let me know in the comments, mucho gracias. As I said before, if you've got any ideas on how I can get this gold plating redone or protected so there's no future wear, I'd appreciate that as well. Okay, let's get it plugged in and see how it sounds. Warning, warning, not subscribing may cause mild regrets.